Welcome back to Rohini College of Engineering and Technology video lecture series. In this video, we discuss about the components of an ecosystem. After the successful completion of this course, Environmental Science and Engineering, particularly the first module in Ecology and Biodiversity, the students can illustrate the important features of environment and its conservations. In this video, we discuss about the topic components of an ecosystem. After the successful completion of the topic, the students can able to understand the ecosystem components of living and non-living parts of an ecosystem. Let us see what is meant by ecosystem. So ecosystem is nothing but a community lives with interaction taking place among the organisms between the community and its non-living physical environment. That is, organisms may interact with themselves as well as with the environment. That is called as an ecosystem. So ecosystem is made up of both the living community as well as the non-living community. Ecosystem is mainly classified into two types. One is natural ecosystem and another one is artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem means a kind of ecosystem which is naturally created by God for the betterment of living things like forest, mountains, ocean, etc. Then artificial ecosystem means which is created by human beings in order to fulfill their need, like institutions, artificial bridges, artificial gardens, etc. These natural ecosystems are mainly classified into two types. One is terrestrial ecosystem and another one is aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial means it is related to land area. It may be a forest, it may be a mountain, it may be a grassland or desert. Aquatic ecosystem means it is related to water, like ocean, pond, river, etc. This aquatic ecosystem is once again classified into two types. One is running water ecosystem and another one is a standing water ecosystem. The artificial ecosystem is otherwise called as a terrestrial and microbial ecosystem also. Let us see the examples of biotic community and abiotic community. The plants, animals, microorganisms are commonly called as living things. Abiotic non-living things are water, soil, light, minerals, air, etc. So this biotic as well as abiotic both are form one ecosystem. Let us see what is meant by producer. This ecosystem mainly consists of one structure. It consists of producer, consumers and decomposers. Producers are nothing but all kinds of green plants which can synthesize their own food via photosynthesis process. The type of organisms which depends on producers are called as consumers. They most probably depends on producers for their food need. That's why it is called as consumers. These consumers are otherwise classified into three types. One is primary consumer, secondary consumer and a tertiary consumer. Primary consumers are called as herbivorous or plant eaters, which directly depends on plants for their food need. For example, rat, goat, cow, etc. Secondary consumers are called as primary carnivores or meat eaters, which depends on primary consumer. Example, tiger, lions, etc. Tertiary consumer means they depends on secondary carnivores or secondary consumers. Decomposers are used to decompose the body of dead organisms, plants and animals into a simple compounds like bacteria, fungi are used to decompose our body after its death. So these are the main components of an ecosystem. Ecosystem is made by both the interaction of living things and non-living things. Living things depends on non-living things, non-living things depends on living things. So this interaction constitute a ecosystem. Ecosystem mainly consists of three kinds of components. It consists of a structure, it consists of producer, consumer and decomposer. These three role is very important to maintain the ecosystem. Okay, thank you.